Before beginning assembly, make sure you have all the contents and hardware listed in your assembly guide. Let's start by assembling the seat. Attach the seat frame L to the seat back K with 2 W screws with P washers. Do not fully tighten the screws at this stage. Next, attach the arms M and N to the seat frame using 2 X screws and P washers. Do not fully tighten these screws either. Repeat for each side of the swing. Gather front swing support A and back swing support B for each side of the swing. Attach the back swing support to the rear of the arm using screw Y, along with washer P and plastic washer Q. Fully tighten these screws with included tool AA. Attach the front swing support to the front of the arm using screw X, along with washer P and plastic washer Q. Fully tighten these screws with included tool AA. Repeat for each side of the swing. Using included tool AA, fully tighten the 6 screws that hold the seat frame to the seat back and arms. Gather back right leg F, back left leg E, and top frame G. Using 2 of screw V for each leg, attach the legs to the top frame, being sure to only hand tighten at this stage. Attach back leg support bar H between the 2 back legs using 2 screws T with washers O. These should also only be hand tightened for now. Attach leg support bar I to the back right leg using screw S with washer O. Do not fully tighten the screw yet. Attach front right leg D to the leg support bar using a screw S with washer O, being sure to not tighten it. Also attach front right leg D to the top frame using 2 of screw V, only hand tightening for now. Repeat for each side of the swing. At this stage, tighten the 2 S screws on each of the leg support bars. The swing frame can now be raised into position. At the top of the leg, insert screw Z with washer P until it comes through the back leg. Then place a washer P and bolt R into place. And fully tighten using hex wrench BB and Allen wrench AA. Repeat for the opposite side. At this point, tighten the 8 V screws that are holding the legs to the top frame. Also tighten the 4 T screws on the back leg support bar. Now it's time to assemble the canopy. Take canopy DD and slide straight side canopy rod HH through the pocket on the side, being sure to orient the hole in the middle of the rod properly. Attach curved side canopy rod EE to the straight rod using a CC screw at each end. At the center of the straight rod, insert an additional screw CC with washer P. Fully tighten the 3 screws. Take curved side canopy rod FF and attach the 3 straight canopy rods GG by screwing them down onto the adjustment fitting, using hex wrench BB to hold the fitting to prevent it from turning. Confirm that the gap at the adjustment fitting is less than 1/4 of an inch. Slide the 2 outer straight canopy rods into the front and rear pockets on the canopy, making sure they go all the way through. Place each of the 3 straight rods into the frame sockets on the curved side canopy rod EE. Slide canopy side canopy rod II through the pocket in the canopy, being sure to orient it properly. Use screw CC with washer P in the center of the canopy side canopy rod to connect it to the curved side canopy rod. Use screw T with washer O on the outer ends of the canopy side canopy rod to hold it to the curved side canopy rod EE. Ensure all 3 screws are tight. Now it's time to adjust the tension on the canopy. On each of the straight canopy rods, there is an adjustment fitting. Place hex wrench BB over the fitting and turn the fitting to increase the distance from 1/4 of an inch to 1 1/2 inch. Hold each of the straight rods to keep it from turning while you work. After you adjust each fitting, cover the exposed threads with a protective screw cover NN. From the outside of the assembled canopy, slide tilt locking hand wheel JJ through tilt adjustment fitting MM. Turn the hand wheel to secure it to the tilt outer bracket assembly KK, being sure the teeth of MM mesh with the teeth on KK. Repeat this step for the other side of the canopy. On the ends of the top frame, insert 2 of screw U into the center holes. Slide the tilt inner bracket LL onto the screws, and then tighten the screws with Allen wrench AA. Repeat for the other side of the frame. Take the assembled canopy and lift it above the swing frame. Slide the tilt outer bracket assembly down onto the tilt inner bracket on either side of the frame until it is secure. With the tilt locking hand wheel unlocked, tilt the canopy back to access the top of the tilt outer bracket assembly. Insert screw T with washer O and fully tighten. Repeat for the other side. Bring together the front and rear swing supports and slide spring hook J through the ends of each arm. Repeat for both sides. Lift the assembled swing up and place the spring hooks through the loops on the bottom of the top frame. That's it. All that's left to do is enjoy the outdoors on your stylish new swing.